Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video I'm going to take you through how to delete blank rows from your Excel data. So what am I talking about in this video? So I have this Excel sheet here and you can see that there are some blank rows or cells in this particular data set. So you could highlight the rows and then right click and select delete, highlight the row, right click, select delete. But what if you have plenty of these empty or blank rows or cells in your data? So what you have to do is to press Ctrl G on your keyboard, click the special button right there, select the blanks radio button, click OK, and that would select every single blank row in your data set. All you have to do is to right click on any of those highlighted blank rows or cells, select the delete option, select the shift cells up option, the second option, click OK, and that would actually delete every single blank row or cells in your data set. So yes guys, kindly subscribe, like and share the video for more videos like these. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.